Today we're going to talk about how we can use a vector to actually show a force. Little did you know, we've been doing this all along. A vector simply is a way to show a force, and a vector is a line with an arrow, so like an arrow. It begins with a dot. So the dot shows where the force begins. The length, so the dot shows where the force begins. The length of the arrow shows the amount of force, and the arrows shows the direction of the force. So here's an example. Each square in this example represents a force of 1 Newton. So this vector shows a 5 Newton force to the right. So if you start, you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the arrow says it's going to the right. Let's practice another one. So if I have a dot, this is where it starts. And then I'm going to draw my vector. Anybody want to take a guess what that vector is saying about that force? Well, if you guess that this vector shows a force is going 1, 2, 3 newtons of force, and it's going up. So you can say either up, or you can say 3 newtons and then just put an arrow, because we know what that means. Okay, that's an arrow. Okay, so we're going to do a little practicing together in this box. Hopefully it will stay focused enough and you can kind of zoom in if you really need to. So we're going to look at vector number 1. Vector number 1, we're going to look at how much force is used in newtons, how many newtons. And then we're going to put right, left, up, or down. And you can use arrows or you can use words. So let's look at number 1 and let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 newtons. And then the direction is going to the right. Okay, go ahead and do number 2. And we'll see if you can get that one right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 newtons. And which direction is it going? Down. Okay, try number 3. Did you get 2 newtons to the right? 1, 2 to the right? All right, let's look at number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 newtons to the right. All right, let's try number 5. Should have gotten 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 newtons. Which direction? Down. How you doing? Thumbs up? Thumbs down. I'm doing good. Not doing good. Should be doing pretty good by now. All right, try number 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 newtons. Up. Let's try number 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 newtons to the right. Number 8 is here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 newtons. And that one goes left. So 5 newtons of force to the left. Number 9. 1, 2, 3 newtons. Down. Let's try number 10. 5 newtons. Up. I hope you did okay. If you didn't, please make sure you ask some questions. Good job working with me.